Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar yen is really struggling to make any move to the upside, any significant move that is. And if you have been looking for longs and you have been trying to go long, more than likely you are just a liquidity grab for the big money traders that are likely still trading with the trend. This is a very strong downtrend, and I am very, very bearish. I'm looking for potentially, I think it could go down to the 134 and possibly even go down to like the 127 area. So overall, I am extremely bearish. Now, if it breaks structure to the upside, my same thing. If it breaks structure to the upside, then why not start looking for longs if you are trading the sort of time frames? But even if it does break structure, it very likely is just a correction to the last wave down. But if there's no break of structure, there's really no reason whatsoever to go long. And in my eyes, there is that definitely not been a reason to go long whatsoever on this whole move down. Every single one of these swings is a lower high. There's been no break of structure, no reason to go long whatsoever, and I still would recommend nothing but shorts until you actually see a reason to go long. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.